In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Afterpay card in Apple Wallet. This is a handy way to manage your payments and streamline your shopping experience. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, start by opening the Afterpay app on your mobile device. If you're new to the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. It's designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can navigate with ease. Now, once you have the app open, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a menu, and right at the center, there's an option that says In-Store. Give that a tap. This is where you'll begin the process of setting up your Afterpay card for in-store purchases. Once you've accessed the In-Store section, you'll find an option labeled Set Up Afterpay Card. Click on that. This option is essential because it connects your Afterpay account with Apple Wallet, allowing you to pay effortlessly at store checkouts. After selecting Set Up Afterpay Card, the app will prompt you to add your Afterpay card to Apple Wallet. At this stage, you'll see the Apple Wallet logo. You'll want to click on that logo. Now, Apple Wallet is your digital wallet on your Apple device, and adding your Afterpay card here means your card will be ready to use whenever you shop, without needing to pull out a physical card. Next, keep an eye on your text messages because you will receive a code that's sent directly to your phone. This code is crucial as it verifies that it's indeed you setting up the card on your device. So, when it arrives, be sure to follow the on-screen instructions and enter that code when prompted. Once you've entered the verification code, you'll be prompted to add the card to your Apple Wallet officially. Click Next on your screen to proceed. At this point, Apple Wallet will present you with the terms and conditions. Now, I know terms and conditions can be lengthy, and you might feel tempted to skip through them, but it's always a good practice to at least skim through so you're aware of the guidelines and any legal details. After you've reviewed and agreed to the terms, congratulations! Your Afterpay card is now added to your Apple Wallet. This means you can start making purchases swiftly and efficiently using just your phone. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Afterpay card in Apple Wallet. From now on, you can enjoy the convenience of having it all in one place, ready to use whenever you hit the stores. Thanks for following along with me today. I hope this tutorial makes your shopping life just a little bit easier. Happy shopping!